Good morning, everyone. Well, we're going to get a warm front to work over us this evening, but don't get excited for much of a warm-up because already late tomorrow morning and early tomorrow afternoon, a cold front is going to be working over us. This warm-up is going to be quite short-lived. Because the warm front not arriving until the evening hours, completely dry for the morning commute today. Seeing some sun, but already the clouds starting to fill back in across the area, and they'll only thicken as we go through the day. And by the time we get to 4 o'clock, going to be quite cloudy. And I got to mention, starting around 4 o'clock, a few stray snow flurries starting to pop up in the western part of the area. Most of us will still be dry, but I'll mention the chance beginning in the western part of the area around 4 o'clock. Though the warm front not over us yet, already seeing an influence of that warm front with our temperatures, with warmer temperatures to the south and cooler temperatures to the north. 4 o'clock looks like upper teens in the northern part of the area. Most of us probably in the low 20s, but some right next to the lake, maybe making it to the mid 20s. One thing that's going to help all of us out this afternoon, very little wind, no more than about 5 miles per hour. These are not our high temperatures though, because our temperatures are going to continue to climb this evening and into the overnight hours because of the warm front. So look what happens when we go from 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Our temperatures actually going up some. Quite unusual. This time when the sun goes down, our temperatures are going to continue to climb because of the warm front. 8 o'clock, notice a little bit more snow showing up, still mainly in the western part of the area. Isolated snow showers, though, we'll call it at this point. I think the best chance is going to be around midnight tonight. Period with scattered snow showers, though I will say the better chance still to the north and west. For the southeastern half of the area, it looks like the snow shower activity is going to stay isolated. So the farther north and west you live, better chance of seeing snow tonight. The farther south and east you live, the less likely it is. And look how these temperatures still going up because of this warm front. But how long will the warming trend last? Let's jump ahead to the Tuesday morning commute. Got to mention the chance for some stray flurries. I think most of us will be dry though. And keep an eye on temperatures because for some, these are going to be the warmest temperatures of the day. And temperatures are only going to be dropping as we go through the day. So this is 7 a.m. and look at 11 a.m. Look how temperatures are dropping in some locations. The southeastern part of the area, we'll see temperatures rise a little bit before the front moves in. But already, look at the variety. 7 in Viroqua at 11 a.m. tomorrow, 18 in Madison, but the upper 20s in Racine and Kenosha. Now, probably a little bit more wind tomorrow than today, but still not much. We're only talking about 10 miles per hour, so that's a good thing. A wind chill factor to worry about still. And I still think there's going to be the opportunity for some stray snow flurries in the morning, early afternoon. It looks like there might be a little bit of a peak in the activity mid to late afternoon, a period of isolated snow showers. Actually, the best chance for tomorrow in the southeastern part of the area, around Lake Geneva, Milwaukee, we're seeing Kenosha, but still not much snow. It'll all come to an end by the early evening hours. And look how that temperature dropping, and we're seeing Kenosha as well once we get to 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And if you're wondering about how much snow we're talking about here, not much. At the most, between today and tomorrow, you might see a half an inch. But I do think some could be missing out altogether.